storage. You also have 2 glove boxes. You have the 8.4-inch touch screen. You do have the sunroof on this one. You do have the power sliding rear window. You do have power folding mirrors, as well as your trailer brake controller. And we'll take a look in the back. It is a crew cab, so you have tons of space. Your seats do fold up, and these fold out to make your back seat nice and flat. They also fold up for tons of storage. There is even more storage in the in-floor storage bins, as well as in the back of the seat. And we'll finish up outside. Vehicles go through a full AMPIC inspection from our journeyman technician.